So you have a Mac and you are connected to a Wi-Fi network, but you don't know the password, right? Then don't worry, it is very simple to see the Wi-Fi password on your Mac, on macOS 11 or macOS BigSur. Actually the system, the process is very similar to macOS Mojave or the Catalina, but just for the latest update I'm calling it to the macOS BigSur. Anyway, let's go inside of my Mac and let's learn how you can see every single Wi-Fi password saved on our Mac very simply and very easily. So there is a simple short code in the description. You can find, go and copy that short code, then copy this short code, and after that go to the launchpad, just search for terminal. Here you can see the terminal. Let's open the terminal, and that's it. Just paste the code. You just need to simply change this Wi-Fi name. Here you can see my Wi-Fi name TP-Link 4686. So you just need to change the Wi-Fi name. Here you can see I'm connected to this TP-Link 4686, and here is the Wi-Fi name TP-Link 4686. So you just need to change the Wi-Fi name you are connected to, and after that simply click on enter, and here you can see the username and the password. So the username is your Mac's username. Here you can see my Mac username is Ivan Mahmud. So I'm just gonna copy or type Ivan Mahmud, and after that we have the password. The password is of your Mac, so just type the password and just click on allow. Now here you can see that my Wi-Fi password 827139942. So this is my Wi-Fi password, and this is very simple to see. So you can see pretty much every single Wi-Fi password saved on your Mac in this way. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I think from now you can see every single Wi-Fi password saved on your Mac. Like me, my brother saved the Wi-Fi password. Now I know it. Yeah, that's very nice win. Okay bro, I hope you guys enjoyed. That was all for this one. Go and check your Wi-Fi password that your mom, dad, brother, sister, anyone saved on your Mac, but you don't know the password. Now you know. You can connect to your mobile device and use the Wi-Fi. By the way, if you want to do the same thing on your Windows, there is also a shortcut for the Windows. And if you want me to make this kind of similar video for Windows, then let me know in the comment section. I'll make a dedicated video about the Windows one. Okay.